Hi, it's a pleasure to be here. I'm Shou Ping, a Senior Research Fellow at Professor Brian Candidate Lab, which is part of the Healthy Longevity Translational Research Program at the National University of Singapore, where we do know a lot of the core mechanism that control lifespan, but there's very little target that is effective in lifespan extension but have a minimum side effect. My work focuses on using this tiny worm called C. elegans to understand how certain intervention could effectively extend lifespan and to identify their target. This is a discovery-based science which is making challenges inevitable. However, new technologies like multiomics certainly help us to peer into the complexity of the biology of aging. Sometimes our discovery truly surprises us and reshape our entire approach, moving us closer towards identifying target that could one day extend human lifespan and health span. C. elegans has a very short lifespan, about just 2 to 3 weeks, which let us observe the entire life cycle in real time. This is incredibly powerful in aging research because experiments that would require years in mice could be wrapped up in just weeks. What made this worm famous was the discovery that altering a single gene could dramatically extend their lifespan. And a lot of the longevity pathway that we study today, such as the insulin pathway, stress response, or nutrient sensing pathway, were first discovered in C. elegans and later found to be conserved all the way to human. So they offer an incredibly simple, yet remarkably relevant model organism. Much of it revolves around the classical lifespan assay, where we synchronize the worm population to ensure that they are at the same age and apply genetic or chemical intervention and track their survival day by day. Of course, lifespan is just part of the story. We also assess their health span by measuring their movement, their stress response, or protein aggregate accumulation. On the molecular level, we use tools like RNA sequencing and mass spec or metabolomic assay to uncover how aging is being slowed. And genetically, we pinpoint the essential pathway by testing if an intervention still works after removing the key longevity genes.
Outside of work, I have been volunteer for many years, and one of the most meaningful was at the Institute of Mental Health, where we organize activities, prepare meals, or simply just spend time with them there. It provides a very joyful moment for those that may not have a lot of visitors, and it also makes us feel a sense of purpose for serving this patient. I think it really complements my longevity research.
Thank you for having me. You can connect with me via LinkedIn or via email. I would be happy to share more. And also, I would be moderating the Q&A session right after this. So please feel free to drop your questions in the chat. See you guys.